Welcome to Southeast Car Sales. Today we have a 2013 Nissan Maxima. Very beautiful car. Car is burgundy with black leather interior. Car does have a moonroof and 18-inch alloy wheels. We have on the tires are Bridgestone POTENZAS. Very beautiful car. Very clean. No problems at all. Gorgeous color. Again, no flaws with the car. The car does come with a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty, manufacturer warranty. Car is very nice. Car currently has 29,000 miles. Again, very beautiful car. Now we're going to take a closer look at this Nissan Maxima from the inside. Car does have keyless entry. You have your lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic buttons. I'm going to go ahead and unlock the vehicle. Car has black leather interior, very clean. Very beautiful looking car, very nice. You have your window switches for all the windows, and you have your door lock and unlock. You have cup holders on the inside door panels. Very clean car. The one flaw I have noticed on the vehicle is this right here. Small little cuts on the armrests. Other than that, I have not found anything else wrong with this vehicle. Car does have a moonroof, which means that it can telescope backwards and also raise up if you want. Very clean car. Car is a push start. Okay. Take a look at the seat behind the driver. Again, very clean, no problems at all. The car was taken very well care of. Only has 29,000 miles on it. Black leather with red stitching. You have your window switch for the passenger in the back seat. Very clean car. Car's a V6, great on gas, and it's actually really fast. You have your window switches here. No problems with the door panels or any other flaws on this vehicle. Again, very clean looking car. Seat behind the passenger. You also have your cup holder here, and you have your, you can also lock and unlock your doors, and you have your window switch. From the passenger side, there's a kick panel here, which is when you're getting out the car, a metal kick panel that does say Maxima. I believe it's on both the driver and passenger side. I don't believe the back has it. Well, actually the back does have it also. Little nice feature right there. Got LED lighting. Go ahead and turn on the headlights and tail lights real quick. Still bright outside, can't really see it too well, but Very beautiful looking car. Car does have fog lights also. Okay, next will be the test drive of this 2013 Nissan Maxima. Here's something interesting I want to share with you guys really quickly. The color of the Nissan Maxima during an overcast or nighttime appears to be a very dark, rich burgundy color, versus when it's in direct sunlight, the car is actually more of a brighter metallic color due to the metallic paint. That is very interesting. It's a beautiful color on this vehicle, and it does seem to appear two different colors depending on the time of the day. That was something very interesting I want to share with you guys. Again, beautiful car, 2013 Nissan Maxima. Next, I'll be showing you guys the interior of this vehicle. One thing I want to demonstrate was how to release the trunk. Little switch right here. If you don't want to use your key, you just push this down right here. That releases the trunk. And I also put down the rear seat so you can see how much space you have. Very big, very clean and nice trunk. A lot of space. Again, any kind of oversized object you want to put, or people up north that ski or snowboard, you can put your boards and your skis in here. Very easy to clip back. Just push the seat back, and it's locked. And on this side, and what you do is, the car does come with a key, and it has a lock and unlock position. Right now it's currently in the unlock. You push this down, and the seat comes back very easily. Very nice feature, and this can be closed. See? This is how the trunk looks with the seats up. You can also release the seats from the back here via these straps. Okay, now we're going to do a quick video for the engine. We're going to show you guys under the hood of the Maxima. I'm going to go ahead and start the vehicle up. The car is inside the garage, so it will sound louder than usual. So let's go ahead and start her up. Again, very quiet inside the vehicle, even with the hood up. Okay. Very clean. Again, no problems whatsoever. The AC compressor is on, so the car will sound slightly louder than usual with the hood up. I'm going to go ahead and close the hood. The car is very quiet. Very nice car. Again, no problems. Okay, now we're going to take this Nissan Maxima for a test drive. Go over some controls we have here. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control options. You have your voice command for your telephone and Bluetooth enabled. You have your volume buttons, and you have controls for the stereo and other options for your media. On the left switch, you have your controls for your, if you see that, for your lights, and you have your controls for your windshield wipers. Here are some samples of the AC controls, your screens right here, and the radio. Here is the shifter. Here's a panel, you press it down and you have your cup holders. Also have a little compartment here, your 12-volt charger. Here is, you have two panels. You have a button release lever right here for the top, and if you press it and you hold, actually the other one, it attaches and I have a deeper compartment. So you actually have two compartments here. Again, top and bottom. It's a lot deeper in this one. You also have a car charger port here as well. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start this car. Again, all you need is, you have your keys right here. This is your fob, and it does come with a key for, you can unlock it through a key. Again, this key itself right here is inside of this fob, I believe. All you have to do is put your foot on the brake pedal. You have your push start button right here. Go ahead and start the vehicle up. That's your AC controls. You have your radio controls right here. Step outside the vehicle real quick. The car, I do want to show you guys something. It does have, as labeled in the back, a premium Bose sound system. Forgot to mention this earlier. It does have Bose speakers throughout. Premium sound system. Sound on this car is incredible. You have, I'll give it a little bit of a second here. All the tire pressures will come up soon once the car starts up for a little bit. You have your outside temperature. You have a full, to adjust this, you have your two buttons right here. It tells you different warnings, or if you have any messages. Your miles per gallon, that's not accurate right now, but how much miles? Give it a little second. The tire pressure does work. It just had to, just the car to warm up a little bit, or before it reads the temperature and pressure. After we take it for a test drive, I'll go ahead and review that again, and you'll see it does have the pressure for the tires. Okay, go ahead and put my seatbelt on. The car is very smooth. Go ahead. You can also shift the car. You have the option to go left or right. You can go up or down to shift the gears on the vehicle. For now, we're just going to go ahead and press drive. The car is very smooth. Dual climate control on the vehicle. Doors automatically lock as you drive. The headlights and all the lights turn on automatically. There's a setting on the knob for your lights to turn your lights on automatically. Very nice driving car. If you guys are familiar with Nissan and the Maxima, it does have a thing called no shift shock, which means as it shifts gears, you don't feel any hesitation or anything like that. Like if you hit the gas, you feel torque, but you don't feel no other gears. Between gears, you don't feel it jerk or shift as you would in some other cars. Pretty cool feature on this vehicle. Very smooth, very fast. Again, the car is very nice. have options to take off your traction control because it will break the tires loose. You have your option right here. You guys can see it or not. But push the car too hard. I'm gonna go ahead and pull over to the side right here and see if sensors for the tire pressure are in. Okay. Go through everything here again. And here we go. We have your tire pressures for the vehicle. Outside temperature. It has other things. You can also set maintenance alerts on things such as your tires, your air filter, and also your oil, so that when you know when the car needs maintenance. Very clean, very beautiful looking car. Take a look at the sunroof. Now you guard for the sunroof right here, and you also have an adjustment right here. Very nice option. Very beautiful looking car. It's getting dark very quickly, but this concludes our test drive. Again, if you have any questions or anything you want to see, or I can make a video for you or send you pictures if you want any other information on this vehicle. Again, this is Southeast Car Sales. Turn on the lights, you can see everything does illuminate. Okay. Get a better idea. Again, Southeast Car Sales. The car does come with a 5-year, 60,000 mile warranty. As you can see now, currently the mileage is at 29,190 miles. Okay. Any questions, please give us a call at 305-310-1223. Again, that number is 305-310-1223. Thank you and have a great day.